Montessori teacher training can be really intense, but it is also a really transformative experience. I feel that being here at Trine has been incredibly valuable for me. It seems like it is the place that I'm meant to be. Each instructor really cares and has made this intense experience really wonderful and helped transform me to be a better teacher and better person.
Being on Trine campus was valuable to me because I got to be hands-on in the classroom. I got to learn through doing. I also got to learn with the instructors who came with tons of enriching experiences and stories that they were able to share.
The value of the faculty here has been tremendous. They care what our thoughts are, they want to hear our feedback. We're getting to hear from their direct experience in the Montessori classroom.